Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you could sell a specific PC parts on eBay. Instead of selling your whole PC, we are going to sell a specific thing. First of all, go ahead and click on my eBay and then go and list your item. So we're going to go into click here, sell an item, and here normally they are going to take us to this page, click on list an item right here, and there we go. So a PC has a lot of components, so I'm going to choose something randomly, but you guys exactly write down what you are looking to sell. Here I'm going to sell, for example, CPU, motherboard, intercore, i9. Alright, that's good, for example. And here they are going to give us a lot of pictures or matches. We could write down this one and click on it. It is new. Continue to listing. And this is very important, guys, because they will give you a pre-made template for your product. So you don't have to go through everything from the beginning. This is what a match will help you with. It will give you a specific match or basically a specific page for you to work on. For example, here we have already the informations about the CPU, the brand, the process model, the UPAC, the stock type, clock speed, all the information needed. We don't have to search for them. You only need to add is basically few more pictures, go all the way down, description, and here the price. You can adjust it, but they have already given you a price range that they think it's good for it to be starting with. Once you are done, click on list it and you will be good to go. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.